Welcome to this tutorial on how to register for a responsible official, consultant, or general public account in Your DEQ Online. We will begin from the Your DEQ Online public portal login page, which is linked in the video description box. On the page, click Register Account. The first step in registering an account is to complete the Basic Information section. A username will automatically be suggested to you when you fill out the fields with your first and last name, but you may change it here. Once your account is created, your username cannot be changed. Use an email address that will not be used for any other Your DEQ Online accounts, and use a mailing address where you receive business mail. Once all of the required fields are completed, the next button will become available. The next step in the process is to select an account type. There are 3 account types to choose from: responsible official, consultant, and general public. If you have questions about the account types, select Help Me Choose and an account type fact sheet will appear. On the Security Questions page, use the drop-down menu for each question selection. Click the eye icon to verify your answers. Save your answers in a secure location. Each responsible official will be required to answer a security question to certify and submit permits, licenses, certificates, reports, and forms to Your DEQ Online. On the final review page, complete the verification check and click Register. You will receive a registration successful message with the instructions to check your email. If you do not see the email after a few minutes, be sure to check your spam folder. The email contains instructions to activate your account. Select the link listed and you'll be brought to the Your DEQ Online login page. Enter your username and the temporary password listed in the registration email. You will be prompted to then change your password and PIN. Once you have reset this information, you can now access Your DEQ Online. If you are a responsible official, the next steps to take to set up your account will be to establish links to a submittal group, a facility, and if applicable, a consultant. If you are a consultant, the next steps to take will be to begin the submittal process once the responsible official delegates permissions to you. Instructions for these next steps for responsible officials and consultants can be found in the additional training resources available on the account registration page linked in the video description box. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to register an account in Your DEQ Online. If you have any questions or need technical assistance, please reach out to the Your DEQ Online Help Desk.